To me, Octobot is almost like my left arm. I'm Carlos Ramon. I'm the founder and CEO of COMPAS. COMPAS is a software company that we provide our customers with what we call a playbook platform. It was born from my 25 years of experience building software companies one at a time. I was very fortunate to be part of a team that built NASDAQ 25s, PeopleSoft, Akamai's, and other ones. And when we went through that journey, we were growing really fast, and we were scaling really fast. And we couldn't micromanage people, but we said, we want to give you a playbook. And what we did is we gave them a playbook, but that first generation of playbooks, we built them in Excels and Google Docs and tools of collaboration. And then the aha moment for me was when I realized, hold on, why don't we build a playbook platform? Octobot comes in, we did not lose our agility, but we gained, I would say, order. We gain a discipline. We gain a rigor. We did not lose flexibility. That was still there, but the rigor really changed. Octobot delivered for us a cutting-edge platform. Our product is a product that is utilized globally, is touched by people from all over the world, from many different types of users, whether they come through a desktop or through a mobile and so on. I have yet to find a customer that have said an issue of performance or an issue of quality. It's been some really tough moments on the journey along COMPAS. And in those moments when we were at an inflection point, what we call a defining moment in the life of our company, Octobot empowered us to play bigger and faster to get to our success.